Coco, do you know what today is?
Ipsy.
Ipsy day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back.
Thanks for coming back.
Okay, y'all. First things first. I'm the realist. That's who is that? What was that girl? She's like from Australia. Iggy Azalea. Okay. Anyway, first things first. We have Grace and Stella. This is $35 full size Coco Sick eye cream. Okay, it's cute little pink packaging and it just says Grace and Stella. Your visions of younger looking, brighter eyes don't need to involve going under the knife or needle, blah, blah, blah. Dab a tiny amount. This is tea and caffeine. A tiny amount and put it here. So it's just a white cream. It feels very thick. It feels very moisturizing. It's very thick and very, like, I feel like this would be good. Because you know, like if you moisturize, it's supposed to like plumpen up the skin. This is very moisturizing. That's her new blush. She got a new blush. Okay, we got a lipstick. A lipstick I probably won't use. I'm looking at the thing on my phone to tell you how much everything costs. So it's PYT Beauty, $20, full size. It's a lip set. 2-in-1 pigment muted rose lipstick. So you can use the gloss or the lipstick on their own or together. I don't know that I'm gonna use this. Okay, so here's the shade. I don't know if it's really a shade that I would use. It's actually a really, I wouldn't use this. No, I might. It's a really pretty berry shade actually. I prefer when this goes all the way down, especially because of some people. You untwist. That is a thick gloss. Okay, so let's do the gloss by itself. So that's what that looks like. Trying to just blend it over there. That's actually really pretty. That's actually really, really beautiful. Okay, the next thing we have is from Lime Crime, and I remember I didn't actually love this all that much when I swatched it. $15, full-size highlighter. Definitely gives deodorant vibes. It just does. And then you twist this here, and it will come out. I don't know which way you twist it, but you twist it and it comes out. So I'll blend it. It has a pinky kind of sheen to it. Why didn't I love this? There was a reason I didn't love this. I don't remember what the reason was. I mean, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't actually see it that well. Okay, that's better. Oh, because it kind of has like bigger, they're not huge flakes, but they have like bigger flakes in them. And I feel like I've reached a point with, not that I have like a ton of wrinkles, but with wrinkles and, what am I seeing on myself? I'm seeing something. Anyway, I don't like the bigger flakes shining in it. It kind of accentuates your pores and your wrinkles and things like that. I like something a little more subtle. I will probably never ever use this, but 15 bucks. Okay, this is from Earth Harbor Naturals. It is a clean beauty brand. It is a balancing gel hydrator. I don't know why couldn't read the word hydrator. It's a balancing gel hydrator. $28 full size. It's a moisturizer. Moisturizer is like a burst of hydration, as a light cloud, blah, 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 drench skin, blah, blah, blah. How to use. Cloud burst can be used daily for all skin types, morning or night. So apply it the same way you would apply a moisturizer. Anyway, glass bottle. Seems very liquidy. It's very liquidy to be that's a hydrogel. It's a gel. Oh yeah, it's very jelly. It's jelly. It's jelly. I don't know if I love it. It feels like when it dries, it's gonna have a very lightweight texture. How moisturizing it's gonna be, I don't know. We'll see how it dries down, but let's go on to the next thing. And the last thing, it's the last thing. It's a palette from Element Beauty. It is the True Nude palette. $26, full size. Okay, this is the palette. She's pretty. You get 8 different shades. You only get 1 shimmer shade here. The rest are all mattes. I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because I have so many nude palettes, because nude palettes are a go-to for me, and I have so many that are from much more higher end brands or luxury brands that the likelihood of me gravitating towards this is pretty slim. It's $26 full size eyeshadow palette. I'm probably not going to use it, so I don't want to swatch it, and I don't want to just keep giving Coco things, because although I love that she plays with makeup and enjoys it, she has more than enough. She has more than any 4-year-old should have, but she has probably more than a lot of grown women have also. So we're gonna put this to the side, and once I actually get my life together, I will start figuring out a giveaway. I probably won't get my life together anytime soon because my mother will be here on Friday and it is Sunday. And then we still just have life happening, which is, I'm struggling with life. What is this? This is what I kept seeing on the camera and I'm like, what is this? What is that? Looks like a bruise. It looks like vampire bites. You know what? It might have been from me playing with Pancake and he will nip and I bruise very easily. I feel like that's a safe assumption. Okay, y'all, so that is the Ipsy box. We're gonna end it here. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Got it. Is that crooked? You feel like it's crooked. Is it crooked? It's a crooked. What happened? Didn't we used to have lines? A grid? We had a grid. What happened to that grid thing? Don't know. Okay.
I'm gonna bite you. I gotta bite you, camera.
You'll bite the camera.
Chip.
Your chip?
Yeah, chip potato.
Chip potato.
Oh, that BoxyCharm.
No, we just did BoxyCharm. It's Ipsy and BoxyCharm day, technically.
And after that,
And what?
that's it.
Yeah, that's it, because I'm going to be tired. But my makeup looks pretty nice today, so.
I would not just a yacht box.
Thought there was a lot of boxes?
Yeah.
We don't have lots of money to get lots of boxes. We're not on PR list. Nobody's sending us anything for free. Okay, y'all, it is Ipsy day. Oh, wait, that's not how we start the videos.
I keep coughing.
I keep coughing, me too. That's because y'all keep bringing germs home from school. I feel like we should save this for a giveaway.
No.
Why?
I want you to wear it.
You want to wear it. I'm glad you suggested we keep it. Oh, wow, your lips are nice.
Because that way I want to wear it.
You put blush on your lips?
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's one way of mattifying.
That good?
No, you can't. You can do whatever you wanted. It's, you know, it's makeup. Okay, anyway. So, yeah, life's happening, and I'm so pretty. My teeth look white.